USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And if you're old to the channel and you haven't subscribed and liked yet, then why are you still here? Subscribe and like, otherwise get out. So swing like a pro, click on this link, come to this page right here and watch these videos and join the program if you want. If you want to speak with me, you can book consultation right here and you can always join free Telegram. So coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have one red candle, so we made a new high, so it's time for a pullback. Delhi is what? Delhi is again drifting down, but I think we are done. 4 hour is again going down, so I think it might come and rest at the EMA. So we started down move and we might test the EMA, we might not, who knows, okay? But the textbook pattern says that you have the price above the EMA in 4 hour, okay? 4 hour price above the EMA, daily price above the EMA, weekly price above the EMA. Look for longs only after the pullback, okay? All right. In all time frames, prices above the EMA, look for longs only. And entry comes from 4 hour, okay? So if you want to enter and exit with me, then join this program, subscribe, like and share. Till then, take care.